Oh, hi babes! So today I have my hair kind of gross and it looks kind of dry and oily at the same time because that's my hair type now. But I need to say something to you really quick. So I started to make a schedule for my washing time for my hair, obviously, because this started to make my hair grow so much. In the last months, I started to wash it only once a week and I started to see my hair growing so fucking long, guys. Like, look at my hair now. And these oils that make your hair look bad sometimes, they will actually help your hair so much more than other oils on this planet, like literally. So try to keep your hair dirty as much as you can, and this will stimulate your hair to grow so much. So today I'm going to do a trend which was really trending some years ago. I don't know if it's still trending now because I haven't seen it for a little time, but I want to see if this trend will still work in 2022 because I like that trend and I'm kind of curious if this will suit me or not. So today we're going to try it, and first I'm gonna take off my makeup, my beautiful makeup that I have on my face right now, and I'm gonna do my hair, and after that I will come back. Okay, I'm done. So I took all of my makeup off and I did my hair, and I'm very curious now how the makeup will look with this hair, so let's go. Okay, so first let's do my face makeup. So first of all, I'm gonna apply this face cream, which I really love, and I'm not sponsored to say this, guys, so you can buy this without having like a fear of just not being good enough, because it's the best face cream. And now I will make my face with this. I'm very curious how this will end up, guys. So it's my first time when I'm doing this like hair in this style, and I don't know if I did it like the best, but I tried, so just appreciate that for this moment. Okay, now I applied this BB cream from Garnier. Sorry it wasn't focused. This is the face cream that I applied on my face right now. It's from Garnier and it looks really nice, guys. Let me put a little bit more here. And for a little bit more coverage for this look, I'm gonna use this foundation, which I absolutely love because obviously of the price, and I don't know, it just makes my face like really flawless all the time. And I'm only applying some dots. I'm not using it all over my face. And now I'm just blending this everywhere. And the combination from the BB cream and this foundation will just give me the perfect coverage. And at the same time, it won't make my face look cakey or something, because that BB cream will also moisturize my face really nice. And that foundation that I applied will just add the coverage that I need for this makeup. Make sure you blend it everywhere because you don't want any spots to not be blended. Obviously, take it down your neck also. It's really important. And when I was in high school, I always forgot to do this. And at that time, I was just not using like the right foundation for my face because I was always like I don't know, finding the products that won't suit my face. Like my foundation was almost always orange. I don't know why, but okay, now I will take this palette and I'm gonna bronze my face a little bit. I'm not showing you this palette because it's a no-name brand, but I will show you in a second after I do this. A really nice option for this. And it's also a very affordable one, and the color is very nice on that one. Just let me do my cheeks a little bit because I want to get that bronzed look, and also I want to keep it kind of natural because I want to blend it with this. So the option that I said is this one from Catrice. It's a really nice bronzer, and this shade 10 is okay. So the next thing that we are gonna do is I'm gonna apply this beautiful highlighter from Makeup Revolution, Skin Kiss Golden Kiss. This is a very nice highlighter, and it's also a very good dupe for many highlighters on the market. So if you want to buy a new highlighter and you love the Balm Mary Lou, this is the best option for you, because it's not pricey at all. And look at this, look how nice this looks on the face. The next thing that I'm gonna use is a brow soap, but for this I can give you another option. You can just buy a base soap. Okay, so this is another option that you can use. You can just buy a regular base soap. I mean a base soap which is clear, not that has like a white thing. I don't know. This will work as nice as this one. So I'm gonna do my brows. I think I took a little bit too much of brow soap. I'm not applying a pomade or something because I just like them more natural, and I don't know, this is just my go-to. The brow soap is my go-to lately. And also my brows started to look much more fuller, so I don't think I need like to put a pomade or this or something. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna use is this palette, which you obviously already know because it's my favorite palette from all the time. And I will just take this shade first and I will apply it here. Take some more and I will start to blend this in my crease. For this look today I won't do eyeliner, so I don't know, it's the first time of not doing an eyeliner for my makeup. Like, I think I haven't done it like for some months. And I'm just scared a little bit. Because I just got so used to just use eyeliner to my every look. Now I'm taking the same shade and I'm blending it into the crease again. Make sure you blend it super well. I took another brush, a bigger brush, obviously a clean brush, to blend this much more better. Now I'm taking the same brush and I will take this shade and I will put it in the crease here to just darken up the crease a little bit. Now take this brush again and I'm just blending this here. Make sure you don't leave like any lines here, because for the smoky eyes it's really important to just blend everything super well. I'm doing the same thing here now. And I'm taking that same eyeshadow and I'm just darkening this part of my eye. Now taking this brush again and blend it. Make sure to blend it, like to really blend it. Now I will take this beautiful pigment and I took some on my brush and I will only apply it here on this part. This is a really pretty pigment. And I will put it almost everywhere in this part, because I just want to lighten that area a little bit. Now do the same on this part. And take it here. And try to just blend it a little bit with the brown. Now I took this part of my brush and I took the same eyeshadow and I will just take it a little bit down here. Now I will take this black pencil and I'm gonna do my waterline with this. Make sure you don't poke your eye right now. Now I will take a mascara and I'm gonna do my eyelashes a little bit. Now I will take my falsies and I will apply them. Okay, so now we're going to do the lips and I will just overline them a little bit. And I think this looks much more better and also makes them look much more bigger. And now we're done. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. I don't know what I feel about this look, because I kind of feel like I like it, but I don't know, the hair, I don't know, it's something new to me, so I don't know, maybe the next time I will be much more happy with this look, because I will be, I don't know, it will be the second time that I will do this kind of look, but I kind of feel like, I don't know, it kind of gives me confidence. I don't know what to say about this, but I kind of feel good. I mean, look at my face and my hair. It's not bad. I mean, I can rock this outside. But you already know that I trust your opinion so much, so please let me know in the comments if you would wear this look or not, because I'm really curious and I just want to hear, I don't know, another person saying something about this look. So our girl Glammedblondie finished her job. Now we are looking fabulous. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I think I'm going to wash my hair again.